It's going down. Shalom. First and foremost, giving all praises, honor, glory, respect, and blessings to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem Rachakwadash. Salutations to the Lord's elect on the four corners of the earth, pushing this truth and sincerity while patiently waiting for Yahweh Shai's return. And double honors to our apostles and elders of Great Millstone, which have taught us everything we know through the spirit and power of Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai. And welcome to another series of It's Going Down, being brought to you by the spirit and power of Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai. Government admits to accidentally starting massive wildfire, and there's no such thing as an accident. Okay, and a matter of fact, let's prove that real quick. What is that in the book of Proverbs? They talking about how a wildfire was accidentally. Nah, man. Nah. Proverbs chapter 18 verse, I don't know the exact. Alright, man. Proverbs chapter 18, I'll just type in 12 then. Hold on. Bear with me for one moment. Okay, this is the book of Proverbs, chapter 20, verse 24. It says, man's goings are of the Lord. How can a man then understand his own way? And I have no idea why this is open in its own window here, but the point is pretty much made. Man's goings are of the Lord. So there ain't no such thing as an accident. The Heavenly Father do not make accidents. He do not create accidents. Everything that was done, it was intended to happen. Okay, it says fire service admits it caused two blazes that merged into New Mexico's largest ever fire, destroying hundreds of homes. And well, you can see it right there. President Joe Biden administration has identified the culprit behind the two blazes that emerged last month to become the state of New Mexico's biggest wildfire on record, the government itself. Two fires are both started accidentally by the U.S. Forest Service, the agency said on Friday. Both fires were traced to control burns that were done by the United States Forest Service to prevent wildfires. The agency, which previously revealed that the Hermit's Peak fire began with a controlled burn that went out of control on April 6, said the Calf Canyon fire started when a burn pile that the USFS thought was fully extinguished in January reignited on April the 19th. 3 days later, the two fires merged and went on to scorch nearly 500,000 square miles of high altitude of forests and valleys, and the Sangre de Cristo range. The combined inferno It says the combined inferno has destroyed at least 330 homes and displaced thousands of residents. So, thousands of residents have lost their homes because of this so-called accidental fire. It also wreaked environmental damage, wiping out wildfire habitats, denuding hills, and making the region more prone to mudslides. So let's see if I can find that in Jeremiah chapter 23. I don't know the exact verse. Let's see. F and type in fire. Fire in the forest thereof. Maybe it's Jeremiah 24. Bear with me for one moment. If not, I can always just type in the verse and find it that way. Alright, so candle of fire in the forest thereof. Jeremiah chapter 21, verse 14. But I will punish you according to the fruit of your doings. So the Lord don't make accidents. The Lord does not make mistakes. The Lord said that He's going to punish you for the fruit of your doings. So these wildfires ultimately was started by the Heavenly Father through His Son on the left hand side, you see. But I will punish you according to the fruit of your doings, saith the Lord Yahweh Bahashem Yahweh Shai, and I will kindle a fire in the forest thereof, and it shall devour all things round about it. So the Lord said that He was going to kindle a fire. The Lord said that He was going to kindle a fire in the forest thereof, and it shall devour all things round about it. What are we seeing here? We're seeing a massive fire in this forest. And the Lord is really Yahweh, the true name of the Heavenly Father, and Yahweh Shai, the true name of who the world ignorantly calls Jesus. They are the ones responsible for these forest fires happening around the globe. So with that, I'm going to say, Shalom is on to the next one.